Atil Roshan, and today we will be talking about how we can do the technical analysis with Moz Bar tool. So Moz Bar is a tool that is a free tool that we can use to analyze any technical SEO of any particular website. So first thing, to analyze the technical SEO, as it is a on-page optimization thing, so first thing you need is to install the Moz Bar in your Chrome extension. So as an extension you can add, so whether you are using Mac or Windows, you can go in your Chrome and you can type Moz Bar extension. So once you type Moz Bar extension, you can go to the Moz Bar, first this Chrome store, and once you go to the Chrome store, you have to add to Chrome. I already had it, so you will go and you will add that to Chrome, and once you add, you will have to sign up into that. Then afterwards you can open any website. So for example, if I open any website, if I open particularly, so I can go and I can analyze its title and descriptions particularly. So for example, let me randomly open this website. So once I open this website, you can see here they are showing the PA. What is PA? Page authority, overall page score for this particular domain, and then they are showing this domain authority, DA. So DA is overall domain score, means like how good is the website. Higher the domain score, better the quality of the website. So domain score is given on the scale of 0 to 100, so as page score is given. Then after that, particularly we can check the spam score. So what is spam score here? Spam score is particularly shows the quality of content. So lesser the spam score, better the quality of the content that we have in the website. Now let's see how other thing that we can see. So after signing in and all that, you can go here particularly and you can click on page elements. So once you click on page elements, you can see the URL and you can see the number of character also. So if it is increasing lot of character that can't be open in mobile, so you can further optimize for that. Then you can see here the page title, whatever the title that we have, like main topic of the page, that we keep title, and then we have a meta description. So meta description is like telling about the content of the page in 160 to 170 character, whereas title we keep it to 60 to 70 characters. Then after that, if we are using meta keyword tag, so it will be giving it will be displaying here, but meta keyword tag is not compulsory for ranking purpose. So many website avoid that. Then afterwards I can see here H1 tag, whatever H1 tag we have, whatever is H2 tag we have, and then again whatever bold or strong in HTML they have used, as well as the alt tags that has been used in this website. Apart from that, we can see general attribution also. So again, like if meta robots tag is used, why we use meta robots tag? To block the search engine from crawling, means if we don't want to rank any pages, so we will be using meta robot tag. And here you can see if we are using any canonical tag. So canonical tag, why we use canonical tag, so that Google knows about the, for one page only one final URL opens, otherwise Google get confused and it thinks like one website is copying from other website. For example, if I type www. or this same domain.com, one page should be opening. So for example, if I show you, if I go here and if I type www. this website kanikasharmaindia.com, so if I go here, so if I type here, so you can see the final URL changes to kanikasharmaindia.com. So what does that mean? If I type Kanika Sharma India or www.kanikasharmaindia, so only one will be opening. So this is again particularly done through the canonical tag. So we can see here canonical tag is also given. Then after that, you can see here the page load time, and then afterwards you can go and you can check the page authority, external followed links. So again 100, total links including internal and all that, so 174. So again that is a very good data about technical SEO that we can know for the free particularly. So those who are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel so that you get frequent update about the digital marketing. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.